In today's video, I'm going to teach you how jobber payments work. Understanding how this system operates can streamline your billing process and ensure you get paid on time. If you're ready to get started, let's dive into it. First things first, open your preferred browser and search for Jobber. Jobber is a powerful tool designed to help manage your business efficiently, and today we'll focus specifically on its payment features. Once you have Jobber's homepage in front of you, you'll need to log in. If you're new to Jobber, now's a great time to sign up. Just follow the simple on-screen instructions to create an account, which typically involves entering some basic business information. Once you're logged into Jobber, head over to the Invoices section. This is where the magic happens. The Invoices section is your hub for creating and managing all of your client billing. It's designed to be intuitive, so you should find it relatively straightforward to navigate. Now let's create a new invoice. This part is crucial, as the invoice is what you'll be sending to your clients to request payment for your services. Start by selecting New Invoice within the Invoices section. You'll be prompted to fill out necessary details, such as the client's name, the items or services you're charging for, and the prices for each. Be sure to double-check all this information, as accuracy here ensures clarity for your clients and helps avoid any payment delays. Once you've got everything filled out, it's time to save and send that invoice. You can easily save the invoice within Jobber. Then, when you're ready to send it, you have the convenient option to email it directly to your client straight from the platform. This not only saves you time, but also gets that payment request in front of your client as soon as possible, which helps you get paid faster. Remember to verify that you've entered the correct email address to avoid sending errors. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to utilize Jobber's payment feature to send out your invoices. By doing this regularly, you'll ensure your payment processes are smooth and efficient. Plus, your clients will appreciate the clarity and professionalism of receiving organized and detailed invoices. Keep using Jobber to manage your invoices, and you'll likely see an improvement in how quickly those payments arrive. Stay tuned for more tips on how to leverage Jobber and other tools to optimize your business operations. Thank you for joining me today, and happy billing.